This week I'm testing the MG HS 5-seater SUV, and this is the plug-in hybrid model. And these are my top 3 family-friendly BabyDrive features. Number 1 is the colour. Now it's called Clipper Blue, but this is a beautiful colour, and when you get the Australian sky with it too, it's really nice. It's turned a lot of heads this week and got a lot of looks. Number 2 is I can fit 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back row of this MG HS. I've got the rear-facing Serene and Optima, and in the middle the versatile folding booster seat. Legroom is good in here too. We could fit a 6-foot driver in front of a rear-facing passenger. Number 3 is you get all the advantages of it being a plug-in hybrid. So a nice quiet start so it doesn't interrupt your kids. Also, you save money on fuel as well. 52-kilometre range, so I found you could do most of my daily things this week with my kids, school drop-offs, supermarket runs, without really using much fuel. I have loved driving the MG HS with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.